with you. So this is the Art and Rex SB Dunk, which just released. When was it? This past Tuesday? July something? Here it is. So comes in the good old vanilla pale like SB Dunk box. There's the sizing tags, Arts and Rex. This dropped this past Tuesday on July 22nd, and they were accompanied by a Trainer 1, which was actually a very nice silhouette, similar to this one. I actually think the Trainer 1 was better, but I did not hit on that. And then actually, before I filmed this video this morning, it's a Saturday, the 26th, they did a restock, and I was like dilly-dallying on the website and didn't quite get it. I did not get it at all, actually. So I'm gonna have to look to the aftermarket for that. But I'm pretty sure since they did a restock so quickly that it people who didn't get them got their pairs, and now all the resellers who ended up not canceling their orders are now going to sell them at a lower rate in the aftermarket. So I'll look at the aftermarket for it, see if I get a good deal and see what happens. Either way, we're here to talk about this shoe today. Here it is. It is in the box, like I said. Here's the sizing tag yet again. SB Dunk Pro, you know, with the gray swooshes on the SB and the like I don't know what color that, like vanilla-ish color or whatever. Oh, inside is pretty dope. It has like this leopard or whatever print, Art and Rec. Like I said, I haven't opened these yet, so this is a treat. Usually I kind of take a peek at the shoe before I do anything. Double wrapped, which is always a good thing. And yep, and it comes with a little card. Okay, I'll pull everything out. Okay, so card is not actually card, it's just an SB sticker. All right, I'll just throw that back in the box. Nothing special there. And the shoe. Ooh, okay. Never mind. There's the shoe. Now, I'm cool with it. The pink. This is the toe box reminds me of the Bleached Coral Jordan 1 lows. It's the same pinkish color. They did sort of it's just kind of a khaki or chino color thing. A little green here, which is a nice tumbled leather, and a little more of that tumbled leather with, I guess, like sort of leopard, elephant print looking stuff. Thick fat laces. The soles say arts. They say arts in this one and SB in this one. Okay. Oh, ton of extra laces. Okay, that's cool. 3 extra laces. That's fire. Which I would probably swap out and put the pink ones in here. Or these, whatever color that is. They look pinkish, and there's orange too and all that stuff. So, pretty dope. Get some extra laces in the fat ones, so that's always good. Always want to test putting these fat laces in a different shoe and see what happens. It's got the SB tongue with that hit of like bleached coral, I guess. And then this is what it says on the inside here. So, yeah, very nice shoe, I guess, for the most part. But the lace tips on these got like the little pinkish hue, and I think all the lace tips are the same. Yeah, all the lace tips are the same with that same kind of color on them. Oh no, they're not. I don't even know what these other lace tips look like. Never mind. They're all tucked in. I don't feel like unwrapping them just in case I decide I don't want this shoe. I'm just gonna sell it. Anyway, these are kind of dope. You know, you got the Arts and Rec on the back here, which is always a nice little touch when they change out the the Nike logos and stuff. These are very high quality. I ain't gonna hold you. I like my S. Oh, this is cool. Oh, okay. I didn't even look at the sole. Look how unknowing I am. Translucent sole with SD Arts California design. These are fire. The bottom is dope. It's just that like this is a loud color, very loud color. Now, most people would say, you know, I fuck with it, whatever. I do for the most part. I like loud colors and stuff. But I'm more if it's gonna be loud, it's gotta be a little brighter than this. These colors to me are very muted, and I just wore the ones that came out last year during the Olympics. And I'll put a picture here. I forgot the name of them, but those dunks are fire to me because they're a little more vibrant in color and all that stuff. They do have this similar like, you know, cheetah / elephant print on them, which I always like. These I'm still on the fence about because I do look translucent soles with dark, like the dark guts. is dope because when they get dirty, it's not as pronounced and stuff. So that's definitely cool from the wearability standpoint. The design on the design is has to be dunk, but the artwork and the details on this are really nice. I'm pretty sure there's more hidden details that I don't even know what the hell is it about. Okay, it says here, please do not tap on glass. I don't know what that even means. You could tell me in the comments below if you know. These are Dunk Low Pros. Everything is really nice with this shoe overall. I'm gonna give it a solid 7 out of 10, just because I've been getting so many dunks lately that are very high quality. Y'all are sleeping on the dunk, and I know everybody likes their Asics and New Balances and all these modern looking shoes now, which I was into 5 years ago when I was buying ISPAs and all the weird new looking space age shoes. You know, when Yeezys were really like the thing that everybody wanted, and Jordans. But I stuck with those, but I also got my other shoes, and I'll probably bring some of those out the woodwork and start talking about them so y'all can get on with them. But this to me is one of, you know, it's a good dunk. I think in 2025, you know, the dunk collabs have been kind of not up to spec like they were in past years, but the dunk hype, whether it's SBs or regular ones, isn't what it was 2 or 3 years ago. Which is fine, because guys like me who actually like SBs and stuff like that and wear them right are, you know, happy. And I feel the market will open up at some point as, you know, people start picking up on collecting. But right now, it's a slow play, it's a marketplace, and these kids really don't care about stupid shit like we do, as the older people. So like I said, I'm just gonna, you know, rock out with these. I'm on the fence about them. If I catch a pair for under retail, I might bless my feet with these. They're still sitting on Nike if you want to go grab some. I think they're all the way up to a size 14 still available. But the trainer ones, which again are more neutral colorway, I think there was more of there's more brown and less green and everything. None of this pink, I think. Or maybe there was. Maybe it was, the toe box was pink, but it was brown. But the pink and brown go very well together. So look at it, you know, see if you're into it. They still have some of both colorways and smaller sizes for the trainer ones, but a full size one of these. Tell me what you think about these in the comments below, and check me on the next one. Again, check out the 12 Hub podcast, subscribe to this channel, do whatever you got to do. I'm gonna keep dropping as much content as I can here because I love my audience. I'm trying to get you all over to here so we can talk about the culture stuff, you know, like this stuff all the time. But yeah, shout me a holla, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.